Hello from Gardening at Douentza, and at the moment I'm in the Azores, which is a Portuguese island somewhere between Lisbon and New York, and the only place in Europe where they grow pineapples. And today we've come along to have a look at the pineapple plantation. I hope you'll enjoy this visit, even if you don't get to taste some of the pineapple like I'm going to do. Welcome to the Pineapple Plantation A. Aruda. This pineapple production is in glass houses is unique in the world and typical from São Miguel Island. We hope you enjoy. Thank you. And here we have a bust of Augustus Aruda, the founder of this pineapple farm. And the story goes that originally they used to grow citrus fruit, oranges, here on the Azores. But some blight came along and wiped out all of the oranges, so they were looking for something else to grow in their stead, and that's when they settled upon pineapples. And now people eat lots of pineapples here. It's considered a common dessert after dinner, and they're really, really juicy and delicious. So here we start off with the bulbs and shoots, the first phase in pineapple production. And you can see these low roofs. Obviously the greenhouse has been purpose built for pineapple production. There's no space at the side for staging with lots and lots of pot plants. Wouldn't do me any good, would it? And here we have pineapples which have been planted in their final position at 7 to 13 months. And here they are. Fine, healthy looking plants, but no sign of those fruits yet. And here's the ventilation. Not a whole lot of ventilation now for such a vast structure. And here we have the ripening pineapples, so from 13 to 15 months. Let's go in and have a look. I see that they've been staked. And I do see some colour. All of these have pineapples on top. Look. Lots and lots of pineapples. And some of them are less mature than others. So, see, this one is less mature. Pretty cool, huh? There are lots and lots of greenhouses here. I'm not sure how many they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on that side. Same on this side and more down below. And all given over to the production of pineapples. Now you can see how they've put some kind of sunblock on the glass there just to protect them from burn. I don't think I've ever seen so prettily adorned toilets in my whole life. It just looks so pretty. I suppose I better check out the facilities. Oh, let's take another jaunt down here. You can't really smell the pineapples. I would have thought there'd be a lovely, juicy, ripe scent. But no. Just making sure I don't fall down that hole there. And what's that down the end? I think there are bushes up against the end of the greenhouse. This is a very big greenhouse, isn't it? Yep, there we go. Sun is going down. It's been a long and exciting day, and I hope you enjoyed having a look at these pineapples in the greenhouses here in the Azore Islands where they grow them commercially. Thanks very much for watching. Bye!